Hello and welcome back to GT Racer. Today it's finally time to change the oil in my Alfa Romeo GT. It's taken many weeks, mostly because I damaged the eye, but now finally I don't have an eye patch anymore. The eye is getting much better. I don't see much with it, but I don't have any more pain. Besides me, I have 5 liters of Selenia racing oil, the 10W60, and this we need to get in that car. And of course we're changing the oil filter too. When we are changing the oil, we change the oil filter too. Actually, I have no idea how to change oil on Alfa Romeo GT. I have never done that, of course, in my life. I think I need to start with removing the, I can't remember, the under tray, the aluminium protection under tray. I think that will be the first step. And after that, hopefully, we can find the oil plug and we can, yes, unscrew it and get the oil out. I, of course, already have opened the oil lid on top, of course, otherwise the oil will flow out very slowly unless we release the pressure on the top side. But there's nothing more to say. Let's crawl under and remove the under tray. Under the car here we have the aluminium under tray protection, and of course we need to open the same screws that we used to open when we removed the front bumper in a separate video. There's one there, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Yes, let's start with that. Still have a leakage of water. I don't know why, but it's almost nothing now. But as you can see in this video, as you can see, I am losing a bit of water from underneath the car, and I don't know why. It is water that is leakage from somewhere, or is it just rainwater because we had a lot of rain? But of course, it's getting me a little bit nervous when a car is making this much pee-pee. Yeah, that was a lot of water coming, so I was really nervous. Why? But it's leaking from under the bone here. And I can't see any. I think it's as simple as we've had crazy amount of rain, and I think somehow when I move the car now and run it into garage, it's starting to come out the water. Hopefully, I need to see if it's tomorrow, if it still leaks. I will leave the car in the garage during the night, I think. And as always, I'm wrong about the number of screws. Of course, there are 2 more. We have a bolt here and 1 there. So 2 more bolts and then it's free. Because I unscrew the 5 in the front and I'm like, oh, why doesn't it get loose? It's still so stuck. Then I crawl under. Now, of course, it's 2 more. 5 screws and 2 bolts. Let's go. And now the under tray. It's removed, and let's take it out. Now I have the underside of the car with the tray removed. And this is something I really don't like. This is a gearbox, as you can see. And it has like a huge amount of oil. And this can only be oil from the gearbox, I think. But it looks like it's coming from on top of the gearbox. Look at that. So, everyone who is very good with Alfa Romeo, how big problem is this? I think I need some advice on this. Okay, well, let's leave that for now. The oil filter we have here. So that is easy to remove, but we do that after we are finished. And here you have the bottom of the oil tray, or whatever you call it, and that, I guess, is the oil plug that we will try to remove carefully, and hopefully the threads are still okay, so I don't break anything. That would be very sad. Let's remove that. I need to get something to have here to catch all the oil. Oh, and by the way, here you have the underside of the oil filter. No, the air filter. So this is very easy to open this to remove the air filter. Standard air filter. I will do another video of that in the future, I think. Because in here I will put in a sport air filter, but still use the same box and have different air filter inside, and also change the air intake, so we will have better breathing. But that is for some other video. First attempt failed miserably. I broke it. So second attempt, I take the bit straight into the spanner, and let's see if we now can get it to grip hard enough and I can get the leverage to unwind the oil plug. I don't know. Hallelujah. Look what happened. It loosened. I'm so happy, and the threads seems to be okay. Let's see now if we can take a little bit more. And, oh, I think we need to have secure the bucket. And here it comes. Oh, it's a very long oil plug, long thread now here. And it's pouring. Look at that. Filling up nicely. I can't remember now. An Alfa Romeo GT has 4.7 liters of oil, I think it is. I have 5. Oil. Yes, let's let this empty itself now, and after that we fill her up. Now we remove the oil filter now. I know that somewhere in the garage there is, you know, the leverage with the steel band for removing oil filters, and I think I need to find it, because holy crap, that is hard. Yes, let's find the tool. Now I have the oil filter gripper, and it's secured around the oil filter, and let's see now if we can get it to move a little bit. Oh, it would be much easier if I pull this the right way, because now I'll try to tighten it. I mean, I need to unscrew it. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, let's remove this again. Now the amateur mechanic has changed the position to the correct way instead of the wrong way. And now I will try to unscrew it the right way and not the wrong way. Oh. Yes, it's coming now. But this was hard. Why have they screwed it? Now we're draining the oil filter. It has almost stopped dripping soon. There, and now here comes the rest of the last of the oil from the oil filter. Now I have put some oil on the filter, now on the rubber sealing, and let's put back the new oil filter. And that we just unscrew on. And we don't use any tools, we just tighten it with your hands. So, no crazy tightening. Like that. And should be enough. That was the oil filter. Now we soon put in the oil plug and start filling the car with oil again. The under tray is back under the car again, so now I just need to, well, take her down and fill, yeah, we start filling the oil. Well, now I think it's time to fill her up. Yes, everything's ready, so now I have my funnel here, and as I saw in the book, I said 4.7 liters before, but it's actually 4.4 liters, so yeah, I will need to have half of these. Let's start with the first one. And the seal, of course. And we're starting now. Look, 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 look. Now it looks very golden, but very fast it will be black again. And now with the fifth, I have how many deciliters, and I will need to have 6 deciliters left. I only take 4 deciliters. Let's see if I can do that. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to stop there. Let's see now, where am I? I can't see anything. Oh, that was nothing. I'm too timid now. Let's see now. We are down to 7. 1 more deciliter. And just 1 little bit more. Let's see now. Now we have 6 deciliters. So now in the engine now it's 4.4 liters of engine oil. Yeah, let's clean up now and put the lid on. And that was all for today. The oil is changed. The water leakage that I first got really nervous about, I think it's simply like we had a lot of rain, and and then when I moved the car, that rain water was leaking out, because now it's not coming any more water. So, but when I drive it out, I will see if I get more water, then I have a problem. I don't think it's a problem, no. But I don't like the amount of oil around the gearbox. That doesn't look good. I don't know what to do about that, but I will look into that. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please watch my other videos too, and if you have advice or anything cool to say, please give me a comment. I love comments. Goodbye for now.